Cloudaware CMDB is integrated with Puppet. And in this short video, I'm going to talk about what our Puppet integration looks like. There are actually two styles of integration between Cloudaware and Puppet. In one case that we're going to talk about today, Puppet acts as a source of operating system data and enriches the data in the CMDB. In the second use case that I'm going to talk about in another video is where Cloudaware acts as an external classifier. So Cloudaware CMDB gets the data from Amazon, and then, by the way, besides Puppet, we also support Ansible and Chef. We're able to match and cross-reference data both from AWS and Azure and Puppet. So in this particular case here, I see the list of my instances. And as I'm looking at the list of my instances, I can actually see when was the last time this instance has successfully communicated with the Puppet server. For example, I can easily tell that this machine is not connected to the Puppet server at all. So that's a very first benefit of Cloudaware. CMDB acts as the single point of truth because it knows everything you have in Amazon. Then it can turn around and tell us everything that's connected to to Puppet. So here's an example of all of the Amazon level data. So what does the data look like that you get from Puppet? Well, if you're familiar with Puppet, and so you're probably familiar with the factor library, and so Cloudaware built all of the additional data besides the data from Amazon, like what operating systems are running, what OS services are running, and then you get this whole slew of instance facts, whether it's EC2 instance facts or Azure instance facts, so anything that is inside your factor library gets loaded into the CMDB. So now you have all the data from the cloud provider and all the data from the inside the operating system, all inside a single record. This makes the CMDB much more rich because we now have data from two different providers rather than just having cloud level data or just the operating system level data.